5 beard growth oils and how to choose the right beard growth oil for you. This is what we are talking about in this video. The first best beard growth oil for 2022 that you can find on the market that will work for most of the people, the Alton beard growth oil is the first best beard growth oil that you can find on the market, and it's cheap. It's affordable wherever you are in the world. The second best beard oil in 2022 is the Lemon Rose beard oil. It's the best and it moisturizes your beard and it smells amazing just like the Alton beard growth oil, and it actually makes your beard look smart and clean, and that's what you want. Guys, brittle beard oil for men is also one of the best beard oils that has actually been in the market for some time, and it's not going anywhere. If you're looking for the best beard oil that can actually work for you wherever you are, wherever you come from, brittle beard oil for men is the best also. This is just one of the best beard oils that you can find on the market in 2022. Also, the fourth beard oil that you can try out if you are a man who is just in the market and you don't know what beard oil to use, Prospect CO, the best beard oil for men, is also the beard oil that you can check out that might work for you. It's just one of the best beard oils. And how it works is just to scratch a little bit of it in your hands and then you rub your hands and you apply where your beard is, in all the areas where you want it to be. The fifth best beard growth product, gentlemen, this is not a beard growth oil, but it's just a product, okay? It's a product that you use, that you can use to actually help you grow the beard, even in places where the beard can't grow. It works and it's scientifically proven by many scientists, and it's been around for some time, which means that many people have used it and many people have seen the results. There are many testimonials out there on the internet and just everywhere around you. People use the derma roller to grow the beard, and it's the best beard growth product in 2022. It's also going to be the best beard growth product in 2023 and all the years going forward. It's not going anywhere. It's one of the best products that you can find on the internet that actually works. You'll find that some other products don't work for you, but the derma roller, no questions around it, it works. Whoever uses it, you are young, you are 17, going up, it works. You are African, you are Indian, Asian, it also works. If you are a man who is growing a beard for the first time, if you've been growing a beard for some time, it also works. Gentlemen, you use this and you appreciate me later. Thank you for watching.